And a very good day, everybody, or good evening. It's Wednesday, August the 6th, 2025, 5:44 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. And, well, my DJI Mini 4K drone is right now grounded because, well, had a little mishap with it about 20 minutes ago. As you can see here, I am on Mount Royal, and I was going to do a video here, overhead video, and I brought the drone out right over here. I'll show you here. So there's this tree right here, you can see. I brought the drone out right around here, and I brought it up into the air, and I misjudged the fact that there was this part of the tree here sticking out. You can kind of see. I thought I had clearance, and I was standing over here where this bench is. And what ended up happening is the drone took off right around here, got up, and as soon as it hit that piece of tree sticking out that I just pointed to right here, well, it came crashing right back down again. And unfortunately, here's the result. It's right over here. Pretty major damage. First of all, DJI told me send it off free of charge by mail, and they're going to repair the drone, and don't know the cost. They're going to give me an estimate, but you can see here the actual gimbal and the camera were pretty much taken right off. You can see some marks there. Those are marks from the tree, the leaves. That green is from impacting the tree. So yeah, the drone, guys, is going to be grounded for a while, unfortunately. I'm going to be sending it back, like I said, with a prepaid shipping label, prepaid box. And they'll tell me how much it is. I don't know if I'll be able to pay for it right away, but at least I'll have an idea of what the cost is. Maybe I'll chip away at the cost of the repair over time, depending on how much it is or how little. But lesson learned, I mean, if you, especially like me, if you're new to flying drones, it's very easy to see how a mistake like this can happen. You know, you think you have clearance, you look up, okay, there's branches right here, okay, I can go out a bit and then go up, but you won't be able to see right away that there's this piece of tree sticking out. And as soon as you get it in the air, it may look clear from here, but you'll be in for a surprise once it hits that tree sticking out. So piece of tree sticking out. So lesson is, you know, when you're flying a drone, whether you're new or experienced, always check out your clearance zone. Always make sure that you're clear to take off, because I was going to actually fly right out to this way and then up, but instead I flew directly up right into that tree branch right there. And yeah, it came crashing down. That's about, how many feet? I'd say maybe 30 feet or so. So anyways, it is what it is. I guess these things happen. Lesson learned. Hopefully it won't be a costly repair, and you'll be flying again soon. So anyways, I'll be, I guess, sticking the videos on the ground for the time being. So alright, thanks for watching, everybody. More videos to come, and let this be an educational video in a way. Alright, see y'all soon.